Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Happy Friday.
We're back with another January.
That's
Sammy's
dramatic.
back.
That's dramatic.
He's excited.
He's
excited
Happy
about
Friday.
this. Yeah, he said Happy Friday. We're back with another January wellness recipe. What are we making?
Yeah, so we did a drink, we did a little snack. So now we're gonna do a sweet treat. We're doing plant-based, gluten-free, of course, edible cookie dough balls.
Right.
So these are gonna be a real treat. My favorite thing.
Personally, unpopular opinion, I'm not the biggest cookie dough girl. So
okay.
we're gonna see, for a non-cookie dough lover,
Yeah.
how they stand.
Yeah,
With
let's get into it.
Okay.
So to a bowl, we're going to add oat flour. So if you don't have oat flour, you can just blend up oats, and now you have oat flour.
Right.
But super simple. So that gives it kind of more of like an oatmeal taste and texture. Then we're gonna go in with some melted butter, right? You could also use coconut oil. And then we're gonna go in with some plant-based milk. Did I say dairy-free butter?
No.
Okay. But dairy-free.
Yeah.
Dairy-free. You can use regular if you don't need to be dairy-free. Now I have some maple syrup for sweetener. So no added refined sugar. Then we have vanilla extract. Just a splash. A little bit of sea salt.
A pinch.
Just a pinch. And then any chocolate chips of your choosing. You can also stick to refined sugar-free chocolate chips. We're just gonna be using a classic mini morsel. Dairy-free, of course. Oh,
Oh, wow.
wow, they're falling everywhere.
That's okay.
Do you wanna mix it?
I'll do a mix.
So how are your health and wellness goals of 2025 going?
I mean, I said this in another episode, but I used to work out a lot, but I started working out again in like November of last year to get.
He's active
He's
today.
telling us his wellness goals, but he needs to stop because it's my turn. Oh, wow.
He needs to learn boundaries.
Oh, wow. Anyway, I started working out in November because I decided I'm going to start making a habit early. So I've been sticking to it. I've literally been going for walks. I've been working out.
You've been consistent.
I've been taking my coconut coal. I'm getting my gut right and getting my wellness right.
I'm
So
proud of
my
you.
wellness has been good.
Good.
I feel like. How's yours?
Overall good. I started going back to the gym, part of my goal. So early mornings are back, and I'm feeling good.
Okay.
I'm feeling really good about it. Can't complain.
Did you go to the gym today?
No.
Oh.
Sammy, I'm sorry.
He's
I
mad.
had a rest day. Sue me.
I know, my rest day was yesterday. too.
All right. So once the mixture is well combined,
It's going to form into like a ball, essentially.
yeah, we're going to refrigerate it for a little bit.
Yeah. But we'll magically have one that's already refrigerated. Just give me 1 second. Ooh. It doesn't really look much different. But it was in the fridge. The bowl is chilled. So now we got to roll them in balls.
Now we have a dough that's a little bit less sticky. We're gonna roll up our sleeves. We're gonna get dirty.
Take my rings off.
Yeah, and just like that, we have.
Balls.
That was my Carrie Bradshaw reference. I'm sorry.
I don't know that.
I'm sorry.
We were talking about this yesterday. I'm like,
If your dough feels a little dry as well, feel free to add a little bit more plant milk. Just moisten it up a little. But yeah. Cute.
dough reveal. I'm a cookie dough
Hater.
yeah. I'm not a hater. I'll eat it, but it's like I'm not like I'm not obsessed. Like
Yeah.
the people are obsessed.
They are.
And I'm really not.
You could also add a little bit of protein powder to these.
Oh,
Make
yeah,
them a
that'd
little
be a
bit
good
more
idea.
satiating, a little bit more filling. You could really spice it up, whatever you like. Switch out your flavors. You could probably add raisins.
Oh yeah.
Make
you
it
could,
oatmeal
you could do
raisin.
some funky. You could make like maybe some pretzel bits. Like some
Ooh.
gluten-free pretzel bits. Make like a kitchen
Now
sink.
we're talking.
Make a kitchen sink ball. ball.
Cookie dough ball.
Cookie dough ball.
But these are also great to just keep on hand in the fridge, and I like to nibble on them. Have a couple a day.
I'm gonna make a giant one.
Ooh.
Well, not giant, but just bigger than the other ones.
Yeah.
Because we have.
Aren't they so cute?
They're cute.
Yeah, and this is just a great sweet treat. It's on the healthier side. And it's perfect for January to keep your wellness goals in check.
I made a big one
Oh my gosh, cute.
for fun.
Okay.
And go right in the middle.
So you can, like I said, eat them right away or save them for later and enjoy.
We have enough.
Okay.
You can have enough to save and enjoy.
Which one are you going to go for? Big one?
No, not this one.
I'm going to go for this one. Okay. Cheers.
Oh, good.
That is great. It is satisfying when you want a little chocolate chip cookie, but you don't want anything too much. You don't want anything too sweet. Trying to keep your fitness goals alive. This is perfect. I love it.
Yeah. Would I make this at home? No. I'm just not a cookie dough girl, but I'm eating it.
And I'm proud of you for that.
Thank you.
And I am a cookie dough girl, and I make these all the time.
I was gonna say, Julia likes these.
I love them.
So,
But you can find them on our blog, and we'll also link the recipe down below. So,
what's the recipe called?
plant-based edible cookie dough balls. Yeah.
Search it up in the search bar.
We put it in the search bar. I'll link it down below. Yeah. Other than that,
Sorry, I'm chewing.
do you have any weekend plans?
Hold on. I'll tell you them in 1 second.
The drum roll, the suspense. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, my weekend plans. Well, tonight and tomorrow, let's say it's Friday, obviously. I'm not doing anything. Then Sunday, I'm going to Monster Jam. The monster trucks, y'all know that? I love going there.
That'd be fun.
I went last
Fun
year.
and feral.
Yeah, I went last year. It's so fun. It's like, I'm sure it's really fun as a kid. I never went as a kid. But as an adult, I'm like, yes, monster. I'm like going crazy. So
I
I'm
love
excited.
that.
What are your weekend plans?
My mom is having an Italian wine night, so I'm going to make charcuterie.
Okay.
We're going to do
Period.
that. Also, my friend just had a baby recently, and I'm going to go meet the baby.
Oh, you haven't met the baby yet?
No, I haven't met the baby. But I finally will have my chance to. So it's a big and exciting weekend for both of us.
That's exciting.
But yeah.
Well, yeah. So next week is February, so we're done with wellness. We're done with our goals. No, I'm just kidding. But maybe we'll do some Valentine's themed thing next week. I haven't decided yet, but that'd be fun.
Yeah, let us know what kind of Valentine's recipes you're looking for. Are you looking for dinners, desserts, drinks, and be on the lookout for our ebook coming soon to our blog, just glutenfreemore.com, and a pop-up will show up. It'll say, do you want this free Valentine's Day ebook? Absolutely. Put in your email, and it'll go straight to your inbox.
What kind of recipes are in there?
It's tabled for 2. So appetizers, main courses, desserts, drinks.
I think that's it, right?
I think that's it.
Yeah. So
It's
you
super
get the
simple.
variety.
Yeah.
Get the variety pack.
And there is something for everyone, no matter your dietary preferences or restrictions. So check that out. February 1st.
That's tomorrow. Wow, this year's flying by. I'm scared. Anyway, so we'll see you guys next week for another Gluten-Free Friday. Something fun, something awesome, something also, of course, gluten-free.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye.